going on, guys? Dujo here, coming at you guys with a brand new video. As you guys could probably tell by the title, we're gonna be up in the boost on the single turbo 335. So I'm really excited, guys. We're gonna be upping it to 30 PSI in this video for you guys. And I'm gonna show you basically like what I do to up the boost in JB4 and like the settings I go through. So it's very simple, but if a couple people have commented, so I'm just like, why not? I've never showed it in a video before, so might as well, right? So in today's video, I'm not gonna be touching the MHD file or the port injection split second file. I'm just gonna be upping the boost through JB4, and when we go for logs, later in this video when we go for test hits, I'm gonna actually send the log back to my tuner, and we'll see where he wants to go from there, if he wants to tweak anything. But I don't want to push the limits to where the 335 is not running healthy. I want to make sure everything's running healthy. I don't care if I have to drop it back down to 27, I'll keep it at 27 as long as the motor is running healthy and it still pulls hard, right? So we're gonna up the boost right now. I'm gonna show you guys quickly how I do that, and then we're gonna go out on roads and I'm gonna go for some logs and test hits for you guys and show you how 30 PSI is pulling. Okay, so now I'm in the car. Basically, you could turn the car on or you can just go in accessory mode with one click, as long as the lights turn on. And make sure your Bluetooth is on. Then basically just go to your JB4 app. I'm on Apple, so that's why it looks as it does, but I'm gonna go to JB4 and then I'm gonna connect to the Bluetooth because I got the Bluetooth adapter on my JB4. Okay, now I'm all connected. So map 6 is basically my map where I put the boost to whatever I want. So I go to my settings, and then I go to my advanced settings, the JB4 tuning / app configs. I'm gonna click on that. Then I'm gonna go to the JB4 tuning and I'm gonna go to user adjustment settings. So now once you're in the user adjustment settings, if I can get it to focus here, there we go. So as you guys can see, map 6 boost is 27 PSI. So basically what you want to do is go from box to box from 1500 to 7000. Alright guys, so as you can see, if I zoom in here for you, I adjusted all the boxes. I set it to 30.0, so 1500 RPM all the way to 7000 RPM is set to 30 PSI. So now I'm just going to click here, and I want to make sure that I save it. It's going to write the data. You just want to give it a second. Verifying the data. Saved user adjustment settings. So now it is saved, and you can go back, go to your display, and you're back to your gauges. If you want to double check that everything's saved, once again, just go to your settings, go to your advanced JB4 tuning, then go to JB4 tuning user adjustment settings, and then from there you can see that everything has saved and it is at 30 PSI. So you guys just heard the first startup in like, I would say about 7 days. It's been a while since I've taken the 335 out. As I said, I've just been really busy, guys. That's why the lack of uploads too. I was on a really good streak for a while, uploading every week, but I'm gonna get back at it. That was the first cold start in a while, so it was a little rough at first, but then after the idle went down a bit, as you guys can hear, it's running me. So a lot of you guys already know the setup, what it looks like and everything, but for you guys who are new to the channel and haven't seen the setup, it's basically an on-3 single turbo kit M54 with tile wastegate and hood exit exhaust, custom charge piping, and that's basically it. Stock block. About to hit 30 PSI, so I showed you guys me up in the boost on the JB4. So now I'm just gonna let the engine warm up a little bit, and once it warms up, I'm gonna strap the GoPro on and I'm gonna record with the camera too, and I'm gonna get some footage of you guys and get my reaction of 30 psi. I really need to get a new hood, guys, but the hood I want to get is carbon fiber, and it's like 1,100 bucks, so might hold off on that for now. But damn, she's looking good. I haven't even washed it in like a month, but this color just stays clean. Just let the car warm up. It warmed up, but I'm just gonna wait till we get on the streets of Mexico before we do anything crazy. But let me know what you guys think of the GoPro head mount, because the first time I made a video with it, you guys really liked it. So I'm bringing it back for this video. If you guys like it, I'm gonna try to bring it in the videos a lot more. So, man, it's been a while since I've driven the 335. So don't make fun of my granny shifts or my downshifts. Oh, guys, dude, what is that? I know it's a Lambo. With a GoPro and a BMW. He's like, uh-oh. Uh-oh. What's this boy up to? My O2. That's cleared. He seems like a chill guy, so he might want to go for a spin. Got a little blow off there for you guys. Oh, the camera! Oh, the camera! Start log. Stop log. Try a fourth gear log. Lord have mercy. I was granny shifting like crazy, but opened up right there. I'm like, it's go time, man.